What's going on, my mighty kings and queens? Welcome back to another mighty influencer video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your first $10 from YouTube, even if you have no experience or not that many subscribers. Let's get it poppin'. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome to Mighty Influencer. My name is Malcolm, and Mighty Influencer is all about motivating, encouraging, inspiring you to become your best self, earn an income online, and grow your online presence. And if that is you, we would love to have you a part of this community. So go ahead and first hit that like button, subscribe, and tap that bell so that you don't miss the next Mighty Influencer video. Now you may be asking, why make money online? And why is this video talking about some measly $10? I'm gonna get to that. But first, why make money online? Well, it's flexible, you can work from home, you don't have to abide by any dress codes, you can make your own schedule, make your own salary, plus there's like so many opportunities. And why is this video talking about $10? Well, that's because the way that I'm gonna teach you is going to help you get $10. But don't knock the $10 because hey, you gotta start somewhere. First thing is you wanna choose something that is of interest to you, but this thing must also be of interest to other people as well. For me, I chose Ancestry because I wanted to know more about my history and my background. And also a couple of my friends had already done it, so it was kind of like a given. And so that's what I did. I went to Ancestry, I ordered the kit, I got it, and when it came in, when it arrived, I documented my reaction to the results. And that's what I'm ordering you to do. I'm instructing you to do. Whichever one can get you off your butt and actually do it, works. You're gonna basically order your kit from Ancestry.com. I got a link down in the description where you can go right there and order your Ancestry kit. Once you get your kit, you're gonna do your DNA thing, you're gonna send it back, and then within a few weeks, you're gonna get an email saying that your results are ready. Once the results are ready, you wanna get out that camera, get out that phone, and you wanna document the entire experience from when you opened up the email, clicked the link, and you started looking at your results. One of the things that I would recommend doing in the video that you make is talk about your expectations, what you know already from your history, what you think your results are gonna be. Therefore, it makes it even more exciting when your results are either different or they're the same as what you might have already expected them to be. After you've gone and recorded your video and you got your reaction and everything, it's time to upload that video to YouTube. But what do you gotta do first? You gotta make it private. Why? Because you gotta get that title, that description, those tags, and you gotta get that amazing thumbnail that says, I gotta click on this. Make sure that in the description, you include your Ancestry.com referral link so that when people who come watch your video, they click on that link, and if they decide to order a kit from your link, then you will get $10 from Ancestry to be used on Amazon, and you can use it on anything. Keep getting those referrals and eventually your kit will have paid for itself. Here's my first Ancestry video that you can see. It's still on YouTube. It got over 200,000 views, and you can also see the earnings that I got from the referrals to Ancestry.com. If you want to check out the full video, you can check it out right up here. And I did all this with only having about, I don't know, 300 or 400 and something subscribers to my account. And I had no idea what I was doing. But I ended up getting a lot of views and I ended up getting a lot of referral credits from Ancestry to use on Amazon for anything I wanted. Another way that you can get some free Amazon credit is if your order from Amazon arrives late, you can hit up customer service and tell them that your package arrived late, and they will give you a credit for your inconvenience to be used on any future purchase as long as it says it is sold and shipped from Amazon. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a comment down below. Also, smash that like button. If you have any questions about anything that was mentioned in this video, you can go ahead and leave those down in the comments below as well, and I will definitely get to those questions. Also, share this video with your friends, those who want to learn how to make money online, at least get a start. Share it with them. I'm sure they'll be happy that you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell so that you don't miss the next Mighty Influencer video. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.